Hi there. Is there an offer going on your Shopify website, or you're offering free shipping worldwide? Anything you want to announce? As we both know, you want to announce it on your Shopify website, okay? But for that, you have to place an announcement tab on your Shopify website, okay? So in this video, I've shown you step-by-step process how you can easily customize, edit, and place a Shopify tab, announcement tab on your Shopify website, how you can change the colors, the fonts, and everything, okay? So watch this video till the end to get to know about how you can set up a Shopify announcement tab on your Shopify website, okay? So let's get started.
Okay, so as we all know, an announcement bar is like a really essential or key thing in a Shopify store. Okay, let's say we have an offer 20% off on entire website, or like we have free shipping worldwide. Okay, so when a person comes to our website, so it should be have a we have an announcement bar or something to from where the person can see. Okay, so to do that, for go to your online store. Okay, and in the theme section, okay, you go to the customize option. Okay, like we are using the debut theme, so click on customize option. Okay, so as you can see, here we are on a website. Okay, Shopify store. Okay, now see, go to the header section. Okay, click on the header section, as we want a bar on top where it will be displayed. Okay, drag this to the bottom. See, here you will see announcement bar. Okay, show announcement, tick this option. Okay, the moment you tick this option, see, there's a we have see 10% discount on all the products. Okay, we have already, I've already done this before, so that's why it's showing me text. For you, it will show nothing or some text. Okay, so you can customize this according to you. Okay, and let's say 25% off, 25% discount. Do this 25% discount on all the products. Okay, so you can do this with here. Okay, or you can just do this, yeah, like free shipping worldwide. Okay, like this, okay, free shipping worldwide. Okay, now if you want to change this red color, okay, see, basically red is a really bulging color, so when people see red, they're gonna focus on this. Okay, but you can also use like blue. Okay, like, yeah, you can see blue, you can do this black. Okay, yeah, see, it matches with the store. Okay, but see, it's matching with the store, but it's not popping out. Okay, so you can also change the color of the font from here. Okay, see, this is the text color. Okay, go and click here and let's make it red. Okay, like make it like more lighter red, like this, yeah, like this one. Okay, see, free shipping worldwide. Okay, so you can see with this you can change the color of the text, as well as the color of the bar can be changed from here. Okay, and if you want some people to go to some page where you are gonna you are explaining about the offer or something like that, or let's say you have like 25% off on some specific products, you can create a different page or collection of those products, and you can paste the link of that section over here. Okay, like go on here, if the offer is on all products, you can do this from here. Okay, just add the link of that page over here, and the moment a person drags his mouse on that page, they will and clicks on it, they will be taken on to that page. Okay, so let's say the offer is on all the products. Okay, click on products, select all products, done. Okay, now to save the changes, click on save option. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, it's done, change is saved. Okay, so see, this is a Shopify store. Now let's update it. Yeah, see, free shipping, and see, when we are taking cursor over here, it's showing us a click option. Okay, so the moment we click it one time, see, we are on a products page. Okay, so that's how you can add an announcement bar to your Shopify website. Okay,
I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products to advertising to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.